Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk upload your students using a CSV file. Okay, but first you will need to have your classes created so you know where to upload your students to. So if you haven't done that, go to that video and create your classes first. Okay, to upload your students bulk, click on this Upload CSV. Click here on Sample CSV File. Okay, sample class student 7 in my downloads folder. I'm telling you that because I always forget where I download things. Okay, I'm going to open this up, and first thing I'm going to do is create more fields. Okay, and I'm going to delete these guys because they're not in my class. Okay, I have open over here an Excel file that I downloaded from my university's system. I'm going to copy the names that I want to add and paste them right into here. And here they all are. Okay, fantastic. Now I need to go and actually create the CSV file. So in the File tab in Google Numbers sheet, you need to go down to this button here to export as a CSV. Okay, once you do that, make sure it's a CSV file and save that. We'll give you the opportunity to label it again. And I am going to label this Spanish 1031. Okay. And go back to the page here of Digilangua. I'm going to select the class to which I want to upload the students. Select the file from the downloads. Okay, and I called it Spanish 1031. Okay, click on that. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to click Submit just one time. It will take a hot minute, but it will be worth the wait because all of your students will populate readily into the system. Right here it says student added successfully, and here are all of the names. Okay, I hope that helps.